Welcome back to another video. So yeah, I'll be reviewing and doing a game episode all about Cars Race-O-Rama. I did sort of promise I would get to Mater's Tall Tales and Mater National as well. So I guess now's as good a time as any to work on that promise, huh? So, well, obviously, yeah. So, you get to race just like in Cars 1, 2, and 3, which is what my gameplay is from on the Wii with my red Xbox controller, yeah, which is what I obviously use for emulators from now on, yeah. As of March 2000, I would say 23? Yeah, let's go. March 10th, 2024, yeah. On the day of the St. Patrick's Day Parade in my hometown, yep. So, well, yeah, obviously. Oh, and you get to play as Lightning McQueen and Mater and Sally and many other characters as well. Yep, whether you come in first, second, or third or something like that. Yeah, doesn't matter what place you come in, you're in for a wonderful time. And it doesn't matter which system you have these Cars games on, you're in for a wonderful time. Yep. Anyway, this is my 295th game episode ever, so yippee! So moving on. Thankfully, the voice talent is not that bad. It features Larry the Cable Guy as Mater, who has never been absent, who has never missed a Cars segment or Cars project. Nope. And they're all, and this is dedication to Paul Newman, George Carlin, and Joe Rams. Yeah. May they all rest their souls. Yep. That's right. So yeah. Oh, and we only got 10 minutes left, so ka-chow, yeah. Oh, and you check out these shortcuts. They sure do come in handy. Yep, that's right. How cool is that? But anyway, I'll just say other things, alright? I don't want to drive some of you crazy, alright? So, there you have it. Oh, and after all, this is my gameplay on the Switch Vita, which is what I like to pretend my emulator app is, in case I play games on either my black phone or red tablet as well. So yeah. Sorry to tickle my throat, and I had to clear my throat. Yep, I came in second. Yep. Daggone. So yeah. Oh, and here's my gameplay as Lightning McQueen as well. As you can see, these racetracks come in handy in Radiator Springs or wherever the track is. Yep, you're in for a wonderful time. Oh, and no wonder this game is called Race-O-Rama. We only got 8 minutes left on this game episode. Yup. Oh, and you get to win Piston Cups as well. Oh, and there's John Ratzenberger as Mac, who has also never missed a Pixar project, including video games Well, except for maybe one, which is Buzz Lightyear Star Command: The Adventure Begins, in which Ham was voiced by Andrew Stanton. Well, and also nowadays, Andrew Stanton, as of today, voices Mr. Potato Head from time to time, especially in Toy Story the Musical. Yep. So yeah. Oh, and you better go ahead, yup. You better stay up ahead. Yep. Okay, fine. Oh, and check out Lightning McQueen's design. It is stunning. Just like at the end of Cars 1. Yep, in which Cars 2 and 3, he's back to normal. Which, starting in Cars 2, he's, well, also in Mater's Tall Tales, which takes place before Cars 2, which is underrated. Yep. He's back to normal, starting in Mater's Tall Tales. Yep, that's right. Okay, I know I'm sounding a bit of a broken record right now. So, yeah. Oh, and you also get to race Ramon and Fillmore as well. Rest in peace, George Carlin, like I keep saying. Yep. The second narrator of Thomas and Friends. Yep. Which he's also known as. Yep. Sorry, I had to clear my throat. You get the picture. Anyway. You ready? Okay, here we go. Oh my god, this game is so much fun! Anyway, first and foremost, there's this track you have to drive through as well as catch up to first place, in which you'll win in no time. Yep, that's right. How cool is that? Oh, and of course, there's Radiator Springs. Obviously, yeah. And this time, I did come in first place. So yeah. Oh, and there's and there's Fillmore, and there's also Gildo and Luigi. Yep, that's right. We'll help you out from time to time, yeah. And there's also Chick Hicks, which you'll come across, yeah. Kachiga, yeah. And it's a shame Michael Keaton never reprised his role for Cars 3. Only Bob Peterson filled in, yeah. So that's a darn shame. Maybe Michael Keaton was busy with stuff. You get the picture. So yeah. Anyway. Oh, and you better catch up, as well as you better catch up with, Sarge. Yep, that's right. Oh, and we only got 4 minutes left, so let's end this, alright? Don't worry, I'll find some music on somewhere. If not, then I guess it's without music then. Who knows? First and foremost, let's talk about these turns. They are stunning, yep. Oh, but not all hope is lost. While learning from past mistakes, I understand what making Cars 2 was all about for Pixar, and obviously, it's pretty underrated at best for me, yeah. And it's obviously a 6 out of 10 movie, which is great, which is good, 6 out of 10, yeah. So yeah. Oh, and there's also, I also like Cars 3, and I also like Cars 1 as well, yeah. I'm a huge Disney, Pixar, and mostly Disney fan, yeah. That's right. So yeah. Oh, and there's this yellow car you get to race as well. Yep. Okay, fine. It's not obviously for the same as the main characters, yep. But you know what I mean. There's also new characters you get to race as, obviously. After all, we only got 2 minutes left, so let's end this, alright? So, ka-chow! Okay, speed. I am speed. Yep, I got it. Well, obviously, yep. And you better watch out for these giant rocks as well. Obviously, yeah. Oh, and check it out. Oh, that's me cutting in. Yep. Oh, and check out this tunnel as well as under the bridge, as well as that jump. It is outstanding. Yep, that's right. Okay, I'll stop saying that in this video. Yeah, I don't want to give anyone headaches or something. Okay. Oh my god, Pixar, you are a genius with this game. It is stunning, yeah, obviously. Oh, and there's also Sally. Like I said, you get to race as well as Fillmore and Ramon, and also, yep, Mac, obviously, who helps you out from time to time, as well as you race with, yep. Well, obviously, the blue sky is right there, yep. So, yeah. But anyway, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoy. Definitely subscribe if you're new here, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, comment, and share if you get the chance as well. So, ka-chow, and I'll see you all in my next video. Ka-chow!